Look at my Michelin arm adjusting my shirt to hide that fat belly. And now let's just start with the unboxing of Aftershock Apex 17R Lite Edition. We got this laptop mainly for video editing because, oh boy, my laptop was so freaking slow, and it's probably because it's 4 years old. And even though Aftershock is mainly known for gaming products, I hope that the processor, the AMD 4800H, is the beast that the internet claims it to be. The great thing about Aftershock, and this is not a sponsored video, I mean, come on, look at our subscriber count, is that it allows you to configure the laptop according to your needs. So what we changed while ordering is the memory, and we upgraded it to 32 GB. So here is the laptop placed between two pieces of styrofoam, and here, you know what, who cares, let's just take out the laptop. Now we'll carefully remove the laptop from this bag, which you can use for laundry. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Ooh, look at that sexy thing. It's so sleek. This laptop, I mean, not the guy who was unboxing it.
So let's open this up.
Quack, quack. Are you trying to play a duck? Just open the laptop. Ah, there it is, with all the plastic ruining the look. But also protecting it. But not protecting the environment. So here is Vince robbing me from my satisfying moment of removing the plastic from my own laptop.
Yeah.
There's a special place in hell for people like you.
It's here. Up.
Apparently those markers are quite helpful, but I wouldn't know about it because Vince already took the plastic off. So let's just unbox the accessories. So this is just a wire, and here is a brick attached to a wire. I'm just kidding, I know it's a charging cable. And Vince is slapping or high-fiving? What is he doing?
I'm doing magic.
Oh, he's trying to show the size of the charging brick thingy, whatever that is. Good, yeah, we get it. Good job. So this is the back of the laptop, which looks like the back of an alien spaceship. On the bottom, there are 3 big vents and 3 smaller vents. On each side of the Apex 17R, there is 1 vent. And at the back of the laptop, there are 2 more vents. So I hope this laptop will be cool enough for me to hang out with. So here is some ASMR keyboard clicks. And here is Vince touching the laptop in all the right places, leaving fingerprints. I hope he has the laptop's consent. The Apex 17R comes encased in a pretty nice aluminium alloy chassis, which does feel premium quality, but the screen is quite wobbly. I have to compare with my Alienware laptop, I'll definitely prefer the build quality of the Alienware, but for this price, it is quite good. Another great thing we like about this laptop is that it has most of the important ports, so you don't have to worry about carrying around dongles or adapters for specific ports. This includes a built-in SD card reader, 2 USB 3 on the right side, 2 mini display port, HDMI 2.0, USB 3, charging port, all located at the back, Ethernet port, USB 2 and a separate headphone and microphone jack on the left side. Don't let this unboxing video stop you from subscribing to this channel. I mean, I know I kinda ruined this unboxing with my lame jokes, but I promise you in the next video we'll take this seriously. I mean, Vince will, since he'll give you all a more detailed review and will also be doing benchmarks and all the other nerdy stuff that I don't get. So I'll not be seeing you in the next video, but Vince will, so...
See you in the next video.